NCH Business Formation LLC Review Usage Experience. November Cooperative Headquarter NCH specializes in assisting entrepreneurs with forming and managing businesses, particularly in November. With over 30 years of experience, NCH offers a comprehensive suite of business design to support business owners from inception through ongoing operation. And here are the key features about this platform, which is the entity of formation. NCH facilitates the creation of various business structures, including LLCs, corporations, partnership, and non-profit. They promise a 24-hour formation process, providing custom articles of organization and certificate of good standing. And also they provide employers identification number, which is EIN, and also personalized support with registered agent services and also additional services. And here's the overall conclusion about this platform. For those aiming to establish a business in November, NCH offers a robust array of services backed by decades of experience and positive client feedback. Prospective clients are encouraged to reach out directly to the NCH to discuss specific needs and obtain detailed pricing information.